Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say Polymath is someone with extensive knowledge in various fields, not limited to one specialty. Historically, figures like Leonardo da Vinci are considered polymaths because they excelled in art, science, and engineering. Polymath, 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 polymath. Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.